Hi guys, if your car AC cools well but works intermittently, today I'm going to show a test that you can use to diagnose this issue using this active scan tool. Don't worry if you don't have a scanner, I'll also show how to do the same test manually. Now let's get this. When you flip the AC button or switch, the AC clutch relay gets activated, which in turn provides power to the AC clutch. The clutch becomes magnetized and engages with the compressor pulley so that the compressor is driven by the serpentine belt. The clutch will then cycle on and off, following the input of other sensors as well as the temperature that you've set the AC system at. In my experience, if your AC cools pretty well but only comes on sometimes, it's usually a compressor clutch relay that is on its way out or the compressor clutch itself. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to test the AC clutch relay as well as the compressor clutch itself. I'm in a 2017 Accord, but you'll find this test in a lot of other cars as well. Diagnostics, select Honda, system selection. We'll select diagnosis, select control unit, select engine PGMFI. We'll select active test and then select AC clutch. Activates the AC compressor clutch relay. Test enable condition, ignition switch on. You shouldn't start the engine, but the ignition switch should be on. We'll say OK. This test operates the AC clutch manually. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Press the OK button to toggle the state of the AC clutch, and it tells you that the command status for the AC clutch is off. We'll basically be commanding the clutch on and off and visually monitoring its response. At this point, it makes the most sense to move over to the engine bay so that you can actually see when the clutch engages. Apologies for this part of the shoot. I'm in the engine bay and the compressor clutch is somewhere down there, but I've set up a different camera which should give you a better view of the compressor clutch. You're going to see that when I toggle this, the compressor clutch is going to move. So that's it. It moves. I press off. I do it again. It moves and it goes off. If you're having more of an intermittent problem, you may need to cycle this on and off for quite a bit just to try to replicate the fault. On the other hand, if this test doesn't work, I'm going to show you the manual way of testing the compressor clutch directly. You may also want to swap out your AC compressor clutch relay with a similar one in the fuse box just to rule out a bad relay. Testing the AC compressor clutch manually is easy. First, you just need to locate the AC compressor as well as the single wire that supplies voltage to the AC compressor. Remove the electrical connector and you're going to find a single prong. Connect a wire to it. Here I'm using alligator clips to connect to this single prong, and then with the other end of the lead you touch that to the positive terminal of the battery, and as you can see the AC compressor engages each time that I touch the lead. So that's how to do this manually, and that's how to test the AC compressor clutch. Hope this has been helpful. Catch you on the next one. Peace.